Have you ever wondered why thousands of hardworking Cambodians are packing up their lives and heading home in 2025, pushed by rules and troubles abroad? Today, we're ranking the top 10 countries forcing them back, from number 10 to the shocking number 1. These nations are cracking down on migrants, from border fights to strict laws, leaving families heartbroken and dreams shattered. Stick around till the end for eye-opening stories. Smash that like button, subscribe for more global news, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Share with a friend. Let's spread awareness. Number 10. South Korea, where fast factories once welcomed Cambodian hands but now push them away. Picture this. Young workers like Srey, who stitched clothes in Seoul for 5 years, dreaming of a better life. But in 2025, new visa rules hit hard. South Korea's government tightened quotas after labor shortages eased, saying too many migrants strain resources. Over 5,500 Cambodians got notices to leave by June, facing fines or jail if they stay. Why rank here? It's not the toughest. Some get extensions, but the shock stings. Families back home wait empty-handed as remittances drop 20%. Srey boarded a bus to the airport, tears mixing with rain, whispering, "I built nothing here." Yet hope flickers. Cambodia's job fairs call them back with garment gigs. This push shows how quick dreams fade when borders harden. Stay tuned, the next one's even closer to home. Number 9. Japan. Land of cherry blossoms and now, reluctant goodbyes for Cambodians. Imagine Vanna, a caregiver in Tokyo, wiping elders' brows for 7 years, sending cash to fix her village roof. But 2025 brought change. Japan's aging workforce needs locals first, so they slashed foreign slots by 15%. Over 4,000 Cambodians, mostly in care and farms, got return orders after audits found overstays. Fines stack up fast, up to $3,000, and bosses can't fight it. This ranks mid-pack because Japan's polite. They offer free flights home and job tips. Still, Vanna's heart breaks, leaving friends and a half-saved dream. Remittances plummet, hitting Cambodia's farms hard. One worker said, "I learned Japanese songs, but now they sing me away." Japan's push isn't mean, it's math, but it rips lives apart. Workers arrive home dazed, eyeing local factories. The struggle's real, but resilience shines. Next up, a Gulf giant waits. Number 8. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia's deserts turn harsh for Cambodian dreams. Think of Chanthi, a maid in Riyadh, scrubbing floors for 8 years to fund her kids' school. But Vision 2030 shifted gears. Saudis want those jobs, so migrant caps dropped 25% in 2025. Raids swept compounds, deporting 8,200 Cambodians for permit glitches. Whips of heat and warnings fly, leave or face chains. Why this spot? It's tough but not total chaos. Some appeal and win. Yet, unpaid wages burn. Chanthi got half her pay, boarding a plane with empty pockets. Families in Cambodia stare at debts, remittances down 30%. "The sand swallowed my sweat," she sighed. Saudi's oil wealth built walls, not welcome. Home now, Chanthi's teaching skills to others, turning pain to power. This push exposes migrant traps, but survivors spark change. Hang on, the heat rises with number 7. Number 7, Malaysia. Neighbor turned nudge out neighbor. Envision Leek, a fruit picker in Johor, harvesting durians for 6 years, his laughs echoing through groves. But 2025's economy soured, palm oil slumps, jobs shrink. Malaysia's raids nabbed 7,200 Cambodians for visa lapses, buses rumbling them to the border. Fines bite at $500 a pop, and bosses pay up or shut down. This ranks here, quick but quiet, no big drama, just steady shove. Leek crossed at dawn, fruits forgotten, hugging kids with calloused hands. Remittances crash 25%, starving Cambodian markets. Brothers once, now barriers, he muttered. Malaysia's push stems from local hires first, but it severs ties built on sweat. Back home, Leek plants his own grove, proving roots regrow. Stories like his fuel calls for fairer deals. The list tightens. Number 6 packs a cultural punch. Number 6. Vietnam. Vietnam stirs old rivalries, forcing Cambodians over the line. Picture Sochit, a border trader in Ho Chi Minh, swapping goods for 4 years, bridges of banter spanning history. But 2025's trade wars flared. Vietnam's factories boomed, squeezing migrants out with 18% quota cuts. Over 15,300 Cambodians fled raids, papers stamped "Return now." Why mid-list? It's tense but targeted, mostly informal workers with warnings first. Sochit dashed at night, baskets empty, whispers of arrests chasing him. Families huddle, remittances halved, villages dim. Blood ties twisted into knots, he shared. Vietnam's rise demands locals, but it echoes Khmer Rouge scars. Home soil feels foreign after years away. Sochit now weaves baskets for tourists, mending more than mats. This push highlights hidden histories, urging peace pacts. Eyes on number 5, a powerhouse stirs. Number 5, Singapore. Number 5 shines bright but burns out Cambodians. Singapore, city of strict shine. Imagine Rathana, a cleaner in gleaming towers, polishing for 9 years, her savings lighting family festivals. But 2025's skills push hit. Singapore favors tech over toil, capping low-wage visas by 22%. Sweeps deported 12,000 Cambodians, efficiency in every cuff. Fines soar to $2,000, no mercy for delays. This spot fits. Clean cuts, no mess, but hearts shatter. Rathana queued at Changi, mop memories fading, kids' faces flashing. Remittances tumble 28%, Cambodia's lights flicker low. Mirrors reflect success, not mine, she wept. Singapore's wealth whispers, go home, ignoring hands that built it. Back, Rathana trains cleaners, flipping polish to pride. Her fire warns of migrant might. The top 4 loom, number 4 feels familiar. Number 4, United Arab Emirates. UAE's glittering skyline darkens Cambodian dreams. Picture Sophia, a hotel worker in Dubai, folding crisp linens for 7 years, her tips funding her brother's wedding. But 2025's Emiratization surge slashed migrant jobs by 20%. Dawn raids in malls swept 10,000 Cambodians, passports confiscated, flights booked overnight. Why here? It's luxe but lethal. Glamour masks labor laws that lock out. Sophia packed under twinkling stars, gold souks mocking her empty wallet. Unpaid wages sting, debts double back home. Remittances plummet 35%, fracturing families. Dunes buried my dreams, she whispered, boarding a plane. UAE's wealth demands sacrifice, sparing no tears. Yet Sophia lands to cheers, launching a co-op for returned workers, weaving skills into strength. Her spark challenges the glitter, proving resilience rises. This push exposes migrant traps, urging fairer futures. The top 3 await. Number 3 explodes with regional fire. Number 3, Thailand. The neighbor turned storm. Imagine July 2025, border clashes erupt, killing 43, sparking chaos. Over 400,000 Cambodians, like Voan, a Bangkok factory worker, flee as Thai troops clear border camps. Nationalism spikes, voiding permits, sending workers home with guitars and grief. Why third? It's explosive but not endless. Ceasefires flicker, yet fear lingers. Voan crossed at Dong, bullets echoes fading. Family arms open but empty. Remittances crash 40%, wiping $3 billion starving villages. Neighbors became nightmares, he choked out. Thailand's farms falter without them, hiring Sri Lankans fast. Back home, Voan sows rice, vowing visits mend bonds. This border brawl scars souls, begging for peace pacts. Voan's grit fuels calls for unity, turning pain to purpose. The push reveals deep divides, but hope sprouts. Number 2 looms, hotter and harsher. Number 2, Qatar, where World Cup shadows now crush Cambodian hopes. Visualize Mung, a Doha builder, stacking stadium bricks for 10 years, cheers hiding his chains. But 2025's post-event purge cuts 25% of migrant jobs, prioritizing locals. Heat waves and raids deport 9,000 Cambodians, passports seized at dawn. Why so high? Speed and severity, abuse reports soar, workers trapped. Meng fled burning sands, lungs scarred, savings stolen. Stadiums stand, we fall, he gasped, boarding a plane. Remittances dropped 32%, dreams turn dust, families face debts. Qatar's gas wealth rejects the hands that built it. Yet Mung lands home, coaching youth soccer, kicking pain into pride. His fire lights paths for others, demanding justice. This push exposes labor's dark side, urging reform. The top spot waits, a global giant's heavy hand. Number 1, United States, a dreamland turned deportation machine. In January 2025, 37 ICE flights unload Cambodians like Phuyen, paroled after 25 years, now exiled to a forgotten homeland. Trump's policies fuel raids, 1,700-plus orders, visa sanctions pressuring Cambodia. Old gang tags from youth haunt, tearing families, kids sob. Stay, Dad. Why number 1? Sheer scale, 279% deportation spike shatters lives across oceans. Phuyen lands in Phnom Penh, Khmer Rouge ghosts whispering, his language lost. Remittances plunge 45%, communities collapse. America raised me, then erased me, he says. US might push his deepest, reopening war wounds. Yet Phuyen teaches kids, forging futures from fragments. His strength screams for mercy, challenging cold laws. This crown burns heavy, demanding change. Stay tuned. What's your take on this heartbreak? Thanks for watching these raw returns, stories of strength amid storms. What shocked you most? Like, subscribe for more, and comment your take below. Share to spark change. See you next time. Stay kind, stay connected.